Tired of accidentally spending money on the wrong Monopoly Go account? Let's fix that and learn how to switch accounts seamlessly. First things first, we need to access the game's settings. Look for the three horizontal lines, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that menu icon. Once you've tapped the menu, a side panel will appear with various options. Scan through this list and locate the settings option. It often has a gear or cogwheel icon next to it. Tap on settings. In the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options to customize your Monopoly Go experience. We're looking for the account-related settings, specifically how to log out. Look for a button that says log out or sign out. It might be near the bottom of the settings list. After tapping log out, the game will likely present a confirmation prompt. This is your last chance to make sure you really want to switch. Confirm that you want to log out. Now that you're logged out, you'll be presented with the game's initial login screen. Here, you'll see options to log in with different accounts. You can typically choose to link your game to Facebook, Apple ID, or other services depending on how you initially set up your accounts. Choose the method you used to create or link your alternate Monopoly Go account. For example, if your second account is linked to a different Facebook profile, tap the Facebook login option. You might need to grant the game permission to access your chosen account service. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in with your specific credentials for that account. Once successfully logged in, the game will load your new profile. And there you have it. You've successfully switched accounts in Monopoly Go. Remember to manage your login details carefully to avoid any confusion in the future.